On today's menu, the most amazing cold brew latte. One of the things I love about this recipe is that you can make it ahead of time. In fact, you make it overnight. Now, the one thing that you do need is the mighty French press. Now, the water to coffee ratio is about 1:8. Water. Just give it a quick stir. Top on, but don't press down yet. All things come to those who wait. That looks amazing. Put it in the fridge, and it'll be ready in the morning. Now just press down and extract all that amazing coffee. You may have to brace yourself. This is going to be the most amazing cold brew latte. Now, if you want your drink to be a bit sweeter, put in your sweetener before you pour in the coffee. Ice. Milk. Now, these are cute metal straws I got from AVAZERA. You can check them out on the website in the link below. With a little bit of prep, you have the most delicious drink waiting for you in the morning.